All right, today on Jill of All Trades, we're going to work on a broken lamp. I have been doing lots of projects around the house and actually knocked this one over and broke it. So I'm going to show you how to fix the lamp socket. First and foremost, make sure it's unplugged. And then let's take this apart and I'll show you what happened. There's our bulb. There's our shade. That's part of the problem. I broke the shade. Got a replacement for that. Here's the other problem. This came loose. I picked this up at Lowe's, just a few bucks, and I'll show you how to swap this out. It's pretty easy. And once you know how to do this, theoretically, you'll be able to make a lamp out of just about anything. So here we go. Let's take this apart. We're going to pull the metal parts apart. Again, we have to make sure this is unplugged. And then I'm going to pull this off. There you go. Pull the cardboard insulation off. That might be a little bit of a fight. Oh, not too bad. And then all I need to do is unscrew both of these screws. They should go pretty easily. And pull that wire off. There we go. That's how fast it is to get one of those apart. Now my wire, they have it knotted, which is a really good idea so that it can't slide back down. So I'm going to unknot that temporarily so I could pull the rest of this off. This part, this bottom part, just screws off. So then we're just going to pull those wires through. And that's off. So here's my new socket. I'm going to pull it apart. If it doesn't come apart easily, you can probably just, these are all little tension attachments there. We're just going to kind of wiggle that. And now that's apart. Same process. We're going to have to pull this out. Actually, I don't even have to pull it out all the way. For the bottom, I'm going to put my wires through. And now I'm just going to screw this on. Now that that's done, I'm going to pull this cord down a little bit. You know, I'm going to tie that little bit of a knot back into it to keep that in place. There we go. There's our two wires. And I'm just going to put one wire on each side. First, I'm going to make a little hook with it and just try to hook it around that screw. You can just tighten that in. Same thing on the other side. We're going to make our little hook. And tighten. There we go. It's that simple. Now I'm going to pull this through. And then we're going to press this all back together. Did you hear it snap? It should snap back in place. Let's test it out. Ta-da! All right, we're good to go. Now I'm just going to take this off, put my new shade on, and my lamp will be like new. But there we go. My lamp is good as new. There you have it, on Jill of All Trades.